Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you're doing well. We are back with another brand new video for you all. Today we will talk about how pay-per-click trends can help you reach your goals faster than ever before. Make sure to stick with us till the end of the video because we will mention strategies that can help any business grow fast online. Let's get started. PPC stands for pay-per-click. It's an advertising model where brands pay a fee each time their ads get clicked. As a marketer, you need to be aware of the fast-evolving trends. Becoming a proficient pay-per-click advertiser is not an easy job. You need to have a good understanding of how it works, using keyword match types, deploying negative keywords, and so on. But don't worry, we have got your back. We will mention a few major pay-per-click strategies to level up your game in 2022. Number 1. New ad formats. Do you plan on using new types of pay-per-click ads in the near future? More and more people are deploying new ad formats, and it's a great way to improve your pay-per-click strategy. As an ambitious marketer, you should try out formats that are newer and require fewer resources than others. One of these formats includes the new video pay-per-click ads that appear on platforms like YouTube. Similarly, podcasts are a unique content type preferred by a large audience. Podcasts are getting more popular and easy to produce. They also help you target your audience through all stages of the buying cycle. You can try incorporating ads in these content types as well. Number 2. Pay-per-click automation. Pay-per-click automation is a powerful new way to optimize your marketing campaigns. Google has been one of the companies investing in it for years, and that has shown good results so far. To get the most from pay-per-click automation, you need to be strategic and work efficiently that favors algorithms. Create effective conversion tracking that shows what's working for your business. And write good ad copy. Ensure that you're identifying the accurate target audience and the keywords. You have to set the process in motion. Even though it's a growing area, you can automate parts of your business with pay-per-click automation and save a lot of time and money. You will be able to focus your efforts in other areas to bring in higher ROI. Following this, keyword research will also be an important trend. Pay-per-click ads primarily operate through keywords. The phrases or words you want your ad to feature will trigger your campaign. Therefore, choosing the right set of keywords is vital. There are many tools that can help you figure out which keywords your target audience is searching for. For example, Google Keyword Planner, RFs, SEMrush, Ubersuggest are a few keyword research tools that can strengthen your SEO, SEM, and content marketing strategy. When executing a pay-per-click campaign, it may be helpful to include long-tail keywords with 3 or more words. These are often more specific and may increase the traffic that you receive. At times, marketers tend to overlook negative keywords. Negative keywords are words or phrases that you can use in order to prevent your ad from getting triggered. For example, if you want to use the keyword traditional clothes and you're a brand that sells only women's clothes, you can add traditional clothes for men as a negative keyword. Next comes responsive search ads. Have you started using RSA in your campaign strategy yet? They've become a top priority for marketers these days. The new responsive search ads make it easier for your ad to show up when users search for specific terms on the browser. Responsive search ads have the ability to combine images and ad copy dynamically to create a message that will resonate with different types of audiences. This allows you to test a variety of ideas and immediately see which ones work the best. RSA also allows for more accurate targeting than ETA or expanded text ads. The next one is the rise in smart bidding. Smart bidding is a machine learning controlled automated bidding system that is optimized to maximize conversions and keep conversion values high by controlling bids. A few examples are target ROAS, return on advertising spends, ECPC, enhanced cost per click, CPA, cost per acquisition, etc. Smart bidding is only going to become a more substantial part of marketing strategy. Soon enough, using manual bidding will come to be obsolete as it will no longer be useful for attracting traffic at a lower cost. This is a positive development. It will allow marketers to focus on higher-level tasks like strategy and analytics, meaning they can provide better and more informed inputs that will help to build better campaigns. Lastly, focus on mobile-friendly options. Today, companies are seeing an increase in the number of searches done on mobile devices. If you're looking to maximize your paid search campaign performance in 2022, make sure you are looking at mobile-friendly options. 70% of impressions happen there. The majority of people access the internet via mobile devices, so any future pay-per-click campaigns will need to be tailored for these platforms. With the rapid increase in mobile internet usage, it is imperative that your campaigns focus on the interests of the new wave of customers. That's all for today's video. Hope you found it useful. Comment down below if you want to see more videos like these. Please support us by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel. Check out the videos that are appearing on the screen right now. See you in our next video.